want to enter trucking industry? Do you want to learn truck dispatching? Get an online training or classroom workshop to help you become an effective truck dispatcher. Learn from years of experienced dispatcher in trucking industry. Here is the glimpse of few course topics which will be covered in training. Introduction of trucking industry. Authorities and permits required to operate a trucking business. Life cycle of a load to profitable routing and defining lanes. Rules and regulations in Canada and USA. Border crossing ACE and ACI. PAPS and PARS. Load board and dispatching software to find and manage loads. Resource management, load analysis and maximize loaded miles. Trucking business skills and rate negotiations. Invoicing and factoring. Business planning for how to start your own trucking business or look for a job. The training is ideal for students, truck drivers, owner-operators or anyone who wants to be in trucking industry. Personalized video training can be provided in French, English, Punjabi or Hindi. The beauty of this is that it's available to you anywhere and anytime. This one course will train you on 3 job profiles. 1. How to use load board softwares for freight booking with brokers. 2. Dispatch invoicing training through various dispatching softwares. 3. Border crossing training to understand ACE or ACI, PARS or PAPS, bonds or inspection. Visit shivatech.ca for more details. Enroll today for online courses in trucking. Call or SMS us now to register for classroom workshop this weekend. Montreal. If you are an owner-operator, visit www.dispatching.ca for more details. Or leave your interest on a comment below. See you there, cheers.